This video explains the initial ink supply procedure for LINX 9810 and 9830 printers. First, open the consumables compartment and check that the required consumables are correctly installed. Close the compartment securely, then use the printer screen to continue the operation. Open the main menu and select Maintenance. On the maintenance screen, open the valve test page shown in the video. Follow the sequence shown on the screen and select the corresponding ink supply functions one by one. Observe the status indicators during the process and allow each selected operation to complete. When the initial ink supply is complete, stop the valve test and return to the main screen.